yeah. And found another siren. Yo guys, this is Whemenoc Alarms. I'm in Hampton right now, and I didn't think I would find this. Yeah, with my brother. He's 15. I'm 27, if you didn't already know. Check this out. I think it's a... it's either a 3T22 or it's a 2T22.
This is so fucking crazy. I'm not even gonna lie. Hampton has one of the best fucking sirens in the world.
Look how cool this is! Bro, I can even... Holy shit, I never would have thought I would have gotten this kind of opportunity. Look, this is the air intake. Air intake is right there. And so there's that. Yeah, make sure you get all this stuff. And then these are the cones to project the sound and the chopper where it pushes the sound out of. Look how cool. And then there's the top. Bro, this is so fucking cool. I low-key have the best eyes for finding sirens. I would have never seen this.
It's actually true, guys. He does.
I don't even know how the hell this happened. I low-key was just driving past to go that way. This is a fire station. I didn't even realize it. But I like turned my head for some reason just straight to, because I was facing this way. I did it straight to the left, and I saw this, and my eyes like just got so confused. I was like, wait, whoa, 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 holy sh! So I like turned around like right over there, and here we are. Wow, this is the best find. I would never have expected to find this in New Hampshire, let alone like... Oh.
Wouldn't you usually find this in like Ohio, somewhere in Ohio?
Something, yeah, places like that, or even Atlanta probably somewhere, or Georgia.
In Georgia.
Something like that, Texas, places like that. I never would have thought I would have...
Tornado Alley probably needs these.
I never would have... Don't. We don't need to attract attention to ourselves. We're already doing enough of that.
Dude, that is crazy, bro. I put my...
I wonder if there's a siren enthusiast here. Wait, what's that? Guys, update. I didn't even realize this before, but look, the cord is cut. Look at this. Well, that's a bummer, but it's so freaking cool. This is the Hampton Falls Free Library. I didn't even realize this before, but you see the siren is over here. And if you look, there's East School from 1839 through 1877. That's where the siren is on the side of the building. Pretty cool.